Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to today's video. It's a very exciting one as I am back in my luxury comfort zone with this unboxing, and I wanted to share it with you and kind of talk through my motivations for purchase, what I'll be using this bag for, and yeah, without further ado, let's just get into it. If you are new here, however, before this video starts and before I get into the unboxing, please do subscribe. I will try to be uploading one video every week, and the next few videos are going to be very much luxury focused. So I had a few handbags on my hit list that I wanted to cross off. Sorry, my hit list, my wish list. So if you like that kind of content, then please do subscribe. Come follow me on Instagram and Twitter and Snapchat. I always notify you guys over there whenever I upload a new video. So it's at Nadreen K across all platforms. If you want to know what jewellery I'm wearing, either my necklaces, my watch, my bracelet, that will all be linked in the description box below. So let's get into this unboxing. Probably giving it away by the title, so if you have seen the title then and the thumbnail probably, then you'll know what this is. But I ordered this bag online on Louis Vuitton's website. I ordered it just before like all the shops opened up, and I do have like a use for it in mind. Sorry, it just came packaged up like that. I do have a use for it in mind because lockdown restrictions are easing here in the UK, so I just kind of wanted to get ready for potentially heading back into the office soon, or just being out and about on the weekends and stuff. So this was the perfect option for me. So yeah. Oh. So the inside of the box looks like that. So I guess you could call this a little early birthday present to myself. This is one of two that I'm treating myself to because I made it through the pandemic. I had a hard start to the year. I got coronavirus. My car was stolen. Had a couple of big things sort of fall through. So I needed to cheer myself up. And my birthday is normally the time of year where I do that. So I bought myself this bag as a new work bag, and I have had the same model of this bag in a larger size. So spoiler alert, it's the Louis Vuitton Neverfull. So I used to have the GM, but it was super big. It was like a travel bag, so I got rid of that. This is empty, so they sent me like what looks like a card and a compliment slip, but this is just empty. I suspect this is the one that has my receipt in it, so just looks like that. And it says it's just got a little message on the front there which just says, "Thank you for shopping with Louis Vuitton. Your product has been crafted by experienced artisans with the finest materials. Please prevent any contact with oil or alcohol based substances such as cosmetics, perfumes, hand sanitizers or disinfectants. Product care guidelines are available on louisvuitton.com/product care." So that's that. I guess this is like a returns label if I am not satisfied with my purchase, which I hope I won't have to use. So let's get into the unboxing. It did look quite small when it came, so I'm curious to see how it all looks. Oh, there is a little bit of card in here, so maybe I'll get into that first. Sorry, really making you guys work for this, aren't I? Yeah, so I'm kind of starting my birthday celebrations early. I'm turning 33 next week Tuesday, and yeah, I'm excited to just enter into a new phase of life. This is empty. Somebody please tell me what the point of that was. Just an empty white envelope. Yeah, anyway, as I was saying, 33, celebrating a new phase of life. I am well into my early 30s, and to be honest, this is my favourite decade ever. I feel like in life I'm just very much more sure of myself. I'm where I want to be. I have the peace of mind that I've always kind of wished and hoped for, and I'm just happy. So maybe I'm saying all that because I'm unboxing a handbag, but you know, we move. So I'm just gonna take the label, the ribbon off, sorry. Get rid of this bad boy. And I painted my nails specifically for this video, but I'm actually going to ruin all the paint while I'm doing this. Let me see if I can do this with scissors. Just want to loosen up that knot a bit so I don't have to do it with my newly painted nails. Okay, she is open. So the box has the sort of magnetic flap closure. Open it to reveal the handbag in question. That's why it looks so small, because they've kind of folded it a little bit. So it comes in sort of beige Louis Vuitton dust bag. I can see it flaps out a bit, so that gives me more confidence, although hopefully it's not been folded too much. And here she is. Oh, absolutely beautiful. Oh, it's got that new bag smell. Right, let me open her up a bit, but basically she's come all folded. I went for the damier ebene print size, as you know, with the cherry red interior. So it comes with the little hook fastened, and obviously I just need to stretch it out a bit, open her up, and yeah, let me get into this. Let me open it. I'll probably speed this bit up. So we are in. So this is my new everyday work handbag. Probably take this shopping with me, probably take it wherever I go, to be honest, get that cost per wear up. But yeah, as I said, got the size, lovely structure to it, perfect size for the kind of things that I carry around with. And obviously, as you guys probably know, it comes with the little mini pouch on the inside, which also has the cherry red interior. It's got a little pocket if you want to keep like important documents or receipts. Oh, and there's something in here. It's just the coated, so this says a little card that says coated fabric, cowhide leather trim, man-made lining. It's got a little label on there, so I'll just leave those two in there. And then on the inside, comes with the zip pocket. I wonder if there's anything in here. There isn't. No, nothing in there. So yeah, I'll do some mod shots just so you guys can see it on. So I'm 5'5", dress size 8 to 10, and kind of just looks like that on me. It's a really good size. It doesn't like overwhelm my frame, which is good. Yeah, it's just a super nice fit. I would probably never wear it like this, but I guess you can hold it in the crook of your arm. And I guess this is what it looks like on the left side of my body. So I'm going to break from tradition and do like a reverse what's in my bag and just kind of pack this out for like my everyday use, just to show you like how it feels, or just to get a sense of like what I can fit in it. So I just thought I'd do a close-up of the items that I need to fit in the bag. So I've got my mask, my keys, my phone, my battery charger, my USB jack adapter thingy for my iPhone, my umbrella, my brush, my mini makeup pouch, my Ray-Bans, my hand sanitizer, my hand cream, AirPods, little hairband, my purse, my laptop, and I just found an old Zimone bag organizer from when I had my my GM bag. So I'm going to see if we can fit this all in. So I've sort of turned this into an impromptu pack my bag with me, but I just wanted you guys to see what can fit inside it, and how the bag organizer kind of helps to get some of that structure back. So for ease, I'm going to let this hang on the outside, pop in my Zimone bag organizer. I will link this on I think a similar one that I got on Amazon. If I probably did get this on Amazon, but I will link a similar one below if it's not this one. So this where the zip is the back of the bag. So I like to have the pockets on the organizer on the front, just so I can like get easy reach to stuff. And the great thing about these bag organizers is they not only like give you more like compartments to split up the contents of your bag, that they help it keep its shape as well, so give it a bit more structure. So as you can see, it already looks 10 times better. So it's not a black hole in here. I'm going to start with my laptop. Now this is the 13-inch MacBook Pro. It's pretty heavy, so I probably wouldn't be something I'd carry in here every day, but I'm just going to put this in there, and that fits quite nicely. Just show you. Then the next item I'm going to pop in is my purse, then my makeup products pouch, just like lip stuff, and as you can see it's filling up quite nicely. Then my Ray-Bans are going to go in the side pocket, so there's a side pocket there that you can put like drinks and stuff in, so I probably would have a water in the other one normally. Then I'm going to put my umbrella in the other one, just to fill that up. So now it's kind of looking like that, you can see. Then next I'm going to put in my hand sanitizer in the same little spot as my umbrella, and then I'm going to put my hand cream in with the sunglasses. So now it looks like that. I'm going to put my mask so it's easy reach in the front pocket. So you guys probably won't be able to see it so well, but it's just there. Then I'm going to put my charger in. Probably going to put that in with the umbrella. Can we fit it? Yeah. Just so it's nice and secure. My AirPods I'm going to put in the other front pocket, because those I need to be easy reach. My hair bubble, I'm actually going to put this in my lip products pouch, just so it's not floating around randomly. Then this bad boy, just my little adapter, I'm going to put in with my AirPods in the front pocket. So just to give you a quick peek at where that is, it's just there. Then my keys, oh no, I'll put in my hairbrush. I'll just put that on top of everything. Let's see. So that just kind of sits across the top there. Then, this is something quite interesting. I've got my secret check from the Gratitude Bank of the Universe, and this is for £150,000. I always keep this in whatever bag I carry on a day-to-day basis. I'm going to put this in the inside back pocket of the Zumoni organizer. My phone I'm gonna put we died there. So my phone I think I'm just gonna put on the inside pocket, which is on the opposite end of where I've got my mask. So I don't know if you can see it. Yeah, so that's at the back or the front. And then with my keys, I'm sorry, what I'm going to do first is I'm going to disconnect this like little strap from the pouch. Love, love, love the hardware on this. It's like a gorgeous gold colour. So I'm going to disconnect that. I'm going to put the pouch in the back of the bag. And then I'm going to connect my keys, tie the loop round, and then connect the keys to here, so that I have easy access to them whenever I'm at my door. So if ever I want to find them in my bag, they're connected. So yeah, and so yeah, that's what the bag now looks like on the inside. Now that it's all packed, it's significantly heavier, I will say, but that's just me and how I pack my bags. It's still a really nice, comfortable size. Sits really nicely on my waist. Yeah, I absolutely love it. So that is it. That is how I've packed my Louis Vuitton Neverfull in the damier ebene print. It's my new work bag. Hopefully work opens up soon, we can head into the office, which I'm actually more gagging for than I thought I ever would be. If you like this video, please do give it a thumbs up and subscribe, and comment down below and let me know what you think is next on my wish list, or next to be purchased on my wish list. If you haven't seen my luxury wish list video, I will pop it in the description box for you, or put it on the end card, just so you can see what I've got my eye on for this year. And yeah, I'm super happy with this bag, super happy with the size. It's just a perfect everyday tote. Yes, it is a bit pricey, but these kind of bags are an investment for a lifetime. The cost that they have attached to them, you definitely get your money's worth. So yeah, I'm really thrilled with this purchase. I'm glad I sized down as well. And I guess I'll be doing an update for you guys in handbag collection video later in the year, and just let you know how I'm getting on with it. But otherwise, thank you so much for watching. If you are not already subscribed, please do. It really helps me grow. I am also trying to grow over on Instagram, so come follow me over there, or Twitter and Snapchat. And yeah, I will see you guys in my next video, which will also be a very long awaited luxury handbag unboxing, and you don't want to miss that one, guys. So make sure you're subscribed and click the bell so that you're notified when I do upload that video. It will be very soon after this one, because it's all part of my like birthday treat myself series. But yeah, thank you so much for watching, guys, and I'll see you soon. Bye.